Okay, today we're going to be looking at a brand new for 2022 product, Griot's Garage Ceramic Glass Cleaner. It says it's quick cleaning, intense water beading, and high clarity. So this is my first time using it. I'm detailing in the garage today because, well, it's Ohio and it's the winter. So yeah, it's a bit cool. So we just got doing a rinseless wash on the Mustang. So I'm getting ready to finish the job by doing windows, and I wanted to see how this stuff operated. So it says here, do not use on, about the only thing you can't use it on is LCD display screens. All right, so anyhow, let's do some windshield here, see how it's working. See, I'm so new at this that the trigger's not even primed. There we go. Whether that's too much or not, I don't know yet. So let's give it a go. Use the 2-towel method. Got this waffle weave I got from the glove box. See, let's spread it around, let it flash a bit. And I have this glass towel, which I think is from Poor Boy's World. But it flashes off real nice. So I'm working in my garage, got a heater on, so things might be flashing a little slower than like in the summertime because, well, it's not like 50 degrees plus. I know a lot of chemicals do better if it's 50 degrees plus ambient air. But doesn't seem to be streaking. So let's get another shot here where we spritz some water on it, see it repel. All right, so now we have our handy Pressol bottle that came from Obsessed Garage, that came one of the glove box subscription boxes. So we're gonna spritz some water on here. It does seem to be repelling more so. Let's have a and it's repelling over there some too, so hard to see the difference, but you can see the water rolling off, so time will tell next time this gets rained on or snowed on. Hopefully not snowed on, but anyhow, that's the new for 22 Griot's Garage Ceramic Glass Cleaner. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. If you like this, subscribe and we'll make some more. Thanks for watching again.